Hey guys, my name is Vaughn. Today we had Denture Lab, so let's make some dentures together. Step 1, you want to drill in your ID number. Step 2, you want to trace the outline of your denture. Step 3, you want to place some wax on the recessions and undercuts so your tray doesn't get stuck. Step 4 is to mold and cut your tray material. And step 5 is to cure it. Remember, this is going into a patient's mouth, so step 6 is grind out all of the rough spots. The goal is to achieve a thing called passive seating, where you can lift the tray without it sticking, unlike this one here where it's lifted. You can see me trying to figure out where to grind next in order to achieve this passive seating for my mandible. Step 7, we have a thing called border molding, where we take this green stick compound and we mold it to the edges of our tray in order to fit into the vestibules of our patient's mouth. The idea here is to have your green stick compound act as an extension of your blue tray. You remove the excess of this green stick compound with a knife, much like you would pare an apple. It's crazy to think about, but this lab actually took 4 hours, and I was only able to finish the mandibular tray. Every step along the way, we had helpful TAs and faculty sign us off, so shout out to them. We could not be here without you. And thank you for watching.